how are you doing? We are so close to completing our challenge because we are on day 14 for 21 days to good skin, and today's ingredient is a no-brainer because it's besan. Everybody knows the goodness of besan, but we have a little tweak which will make besan more effective. We have 2 spoons of besan right here, and we're going to mix it with tomato puree. Yes, from day 3 we use tomato on our face, but this time we're going to mix it with besan. We're going to take a food processor to take the juice off. Done. Both besan and tomato are very effective ingredients. I know they would do well, but my only suggestion is people with sensitive skin like mine should add yogurt to the pack because the tomato started to burn my skin. My skin is more red than usual.